Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. Now just click here on this right upper corner and tap into the settings. Now just click to the Google Assistant, scroll a little bit down here to the general options, and just to turn off Google Assistant you should click here on the switcher and confirm by click to turn off, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.